we're glad you're here.
The transition's actually been really smooth. I think there was a lot of anxiety going into it, but I feel like we've had so much support from the district. It's just been an outpouring of help from the community, from the district and other teachers, the schools. Osceola High has been unbelievable in welcoming us. I think there was a lot of anxiety coming into the situation, just not knowing, and going from a school that's K-8 to high school. This has been a big transition or concern for them, but I think once everybody got here and saw their classmates and teachers, that anxiety started to go away. We're all about just making sure everybody's okay emotionally, and we're taking a couple days to get settled back in, but I know they're very smart, and this is just going to be a temporary change that it's not gonna affect us too much. You all know how much I care about you, and I'm just glad that we can be back together again and kind of see each other face to face and connect.